name's Darcy May and I am a new student at St Mary's. I am going to interview some people and see how their first week is going at St Mary's College.
I'm actually finding it quite good and excellent because it helps me explore the school and know where to go when I start.
I found my first week great and amazing and exciting.
It's really fun and it's quite exciting as well. It's because, well, you get to make new friends from different schools and you get used to secondary school life.
A bit scary because I don't know anyone from my primary school. Well, I get to meet a lot of new people really, and I've made a lot of new friends.
It's very nice, I love it here because we get to meet new people, have more friends, have more fun with different people.
My favourite part was the handball and the PE because it was really interactive and everybody got something to do.
Well, my favourite part of this week has been the sports and activities. I'm a very good sportsman and I like doing sports a lot.
Our RE lesson because our teacher was really funny. We discussed about prayer and how important it is.
Magic maths because it was really fun and we could work in a team. So that's how people find their transition weeks. Oops, gotta go.
Why?
Because they're going in.